Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Universal Audio Apollo Twin. It comes in a box. Came in this box. Okay. Beautiful picture. Another beautiful picture. A whole bunch of incredibly interesting data. You can use a lot of cool plugins with the Apollo Twin, and you can even use them in real time, which is pretty awesome. UAD Duo Core, which means it's got some nice power. I actually have another one of these in my studio, and I have an 8 version. The Apollo, it's called the Apollo 8, which is a rack mount. Let's get in this bad boy. Open up, open up. There's a little thing there, see? How about on this side? Yep. Open up, open up. I gotta get inside. I love this, by the way. This, can I get it in focus? Leatherman. Look at mine. It's like totally used and worked in. This is like the lightest knife I could find for opening boxes and carrying, everyday carry. It's awesome. It's got a lock right here. And I pop it in. Lets me close it up. Just like that. Back in the pocket. Now, let's turn this back over. Dun 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 dun. Turn it up, turn it up. Love that knob, it's so cool. Doesn't have a press feature, but it has a turn feature. You've got all these awesome controls here. Let's take it out. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, I love this picture. There is a certain thrill that I hope you have a chance to enjoy in your life. It's the thrill of doing something first, being a pioneer and creating new sounds. Bill Putnam Sr., founder, Universal Audio. Awesome! This comes out. Wing. There's a box underneath here. It's like a secret treasure of some sort. And this opens up. Okay, power cable, wall wart. Let's check the voltage on it. Very interesting. Oh man, I can barely see it. It's so small. 12 volts, 1.5 amps. And look, it has an adapter so you can put it in different countries. Yeah. Has all these different versions. My only problem with this is once you pick the one you're using, all the others just sit forever and do nothing. Here it is. This is the one we need. Boom, boom. Let's see. It's interesting. It's not polarized. See that? There's no polarization here. See? That's kind of interesting. But it is curved, so we know which way it goes in. So it looks like that goes in. You pull down on this lever here. There's a lever down here. Come on, get into focus. Come on, super focus machine. There, see it? I'm using the Canon EM50 for this, by the way, which is supposed to have that dual pixel autofocus. So I can go like this and then tap and go focus on it. Nice. Is that a button? No, it's just a pretty picture. There's the head. Focus. 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 Thank you. And that gets plugged in. Here are all the ports. Come on, focus. Oh, I have to tap the screen, not the actual unit. There we go. Then this goes in here like that. Power on! Oh, making music. Ow! Making music. Okay, turn that off. Okay, so terrific unit. It has a whole bunch of other features. 48 volt phantom power, bass roll-off, pad, mono stereo feature, monitor function, preamp, all that. But for the unboxing, that seems to be everything. This stuff is glued in, so you can save the box for the future when you want to use it. Unboxing of Apollo Twin. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did.